We're on the farm and I found this interesting bottle. Maybe I'll take the top off. Take the top. Oh! So this bottle is a good 3 years old. It's a little wild. But doesn't that look like the biggest bottle cap ever? Man, large bottle, soda. Okay. It's actually to catch the water for the birds. Alright, turn it on, boy. Turn it on. Come on. Pull hard. One more time, August. Do it. Pull it up. Good job, August. Fill it full.
What?
Stop! Pull down! Stop! Stop! I'm no expert, but I know this is corn. Like I said before, I'm not an expert, but this is soybeans in a soybean field. And that's a little boy that really, really likes the farm. He's crazy.
Are you having fun? Have you found that cat yet?
.88 degrees, partly cloudy. I'm not a weatherman, not at all. It could be a lot worse. A lot hotter. Just a little weed eating around the farm. There's curves. Yeah. Well. Break's over. Back at it. Okay, I couldn't see it at first. No, not being silly, not the cow right there, but right down there, number 2. I say I'm not an expert because I'm not, but there's a calf right down there. I'm on a huge mound because there's just too many distractions out on the farm. Calf, cow, horse, and poo. Poo, more cows, and more poo, and a horse. For a long time I've wanted to do this. I mean it, for a long time. I'm serious. I wanted to interview a horse. I did it once before, but I didn't think it went very well. But you know what? I didn't come over with a gift. Everything goes better when you have something. Some grass. So, horse, how do you like the farm? Do you like the farm? That was a trick question, because he's been here for quite a while, so I don't know. I don't think his interview's going very well. Hey. Question. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't be rude. No, don't be rude. I was gonna ask you a question. You can chew and talk. I just want to know. Do you like these cows? You don't? Well, then you need to move. Okay, you can have this last piece of grass and I'm gonna go. Sorry we couldn't connect. Maybe we'll talk next time. Good night, cows. Stand there. Crap. That was a new experience for me. The cows got out and we had to chase them in. I don't know what I was doing. That man over there is my father-in-law. If he would have done that when I was dating his daughter, it would have really scared the crap out of me. I think if somebody wants to date my daughter, I'm gonna have to learn how to drive like that. Get him in the passenger seat.